Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Happier Me. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make this easy one-pot meal, which is really nutritious, so easy to make. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Here I'm taking 1 cup of rice and half a cup of moong dal. You can also choose another dal if you don't have moong dal. I'm making this recipe for 4, but you can adjust the quantity based on how many people are eating. Now I will rinse my dal and rice in clean water. If you have time, you should ideally soak this for at least 30 minutes and throw away this water and then put clean water to cook it. But if you are in a rush and you don't have the time to soak the dal and rice, you can skip this step and directly cook it with the water. Today I'm using tomato, green chilies, baby carrots, some cauliflower and 1 medium potato. But sometimes I use other vegetables as well. I'm using these vegetables because I have these in stock right now, but you're free to use any other vegetable of your choice. The vegetables that go really well in this recipe are green peas, green beans. You can also put pepper, green pepper, capsicum. They all work very well. This is certainly an excellent one-pot plant-based meal, which is very healthy and easy to make. These vegetables provide enough nutrients and fiber as well as color to this recipe. You can also skip garlic and ginger, but I like it for my taste preference. I have listed all the ingredients and the steps for making this recipe at the end of the video and also in the description below. I turned on my Instant Pot on saute mode for 3 minutes and I added 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. I'm using Instant Pot to make this recipe, and you can see how these different colored spices from India will provide the flavor and aroma to this recipe. An alternative way to make this is in pressure cooker, but I find it easier. Since I bought an Instant Pot, I tend to make all of my recipes in Instant Pot, whichever involves boiling, so I don't have to stay close to it to monitor it. It shuts off as soon as it's done. Traditionally in India, this is eaten with raita made up of yogurt. You can also eat it with green coriander and mint chutney and pickles, whichever way you like. I will be posting a video on 2 types of chutneys that I always keep in my fridge that I make at home. So look out for that. I should be uploading it very soon. I feel Indian cooking has so many great health benefits with addition of turmeric, vegetables and lot of plant-based proteins such as lentils. Also, one last thing, you can choose another type of lentil if you don't have moong dal. It goes perfectly well with any other lentil of your choice. I will change the setting to pressure cook for 7 minutes and close the lid, and once the pressure releases, we will open the lid. So here is this delicious one-pot meal. In India, it's called khichdi. It's really healthy, light to digest and full of nutritional benefits. This is a plant-based high-protein meal. So please try this if you haven't already. My goal is to bring the healthy Indian recipes to the rest of the world through my videos. These recipes are easy to make and are full of nutritional value. You can pause the video to read the recipe, and if you have any questions, please write in the comments below.
If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.